Chef Anthony here, making bacon, guys. We're gonna cook some candied bacon for you. I'm gonna do it in true convection. I'm gonna put it on a wire rack and give you my secret spices and seasoning. So first and foremost, the true convection is your easiest convection method. So it'll receive even heat from top to bottom, left to right of the pan. So now, especially with a sauce like this, the candied bacon has a lot of sugar, a lot of spices. So now convection will be your best friend for that. So we'll see some nice even heat. We're featuring the Wolf appliance. Let's jump right into some thick cut candied bacon, all right? So I got the thick stuff. This isn't like, stay back. This is the goods of the goods. We're gonna shingle this right on our wire rack. I talked about convection before, but we need that airflow to make thick bacon cook very nicely. Let's get to the spread right here. 2 tablespoons of spicy Dijon, go right in here, okay? Next, 1/4 cup of barbecue seasoning. So this is just a general barbecue seasoning, whatever ones you guys use, okay? Put that in, it's gonna paste it out a little bit, so use the back of the spoon. Now we'll add another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I find that olive oil works better than butter, it's just gonna give it a little shine, a little bit of glaze. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of honey, okay? Pour that guy right in, little bear. When you try it at home, guys, it should have some sweet, it should have some of the barbecue heat, have a little shine from that olive oil, okay? We're gonna ladle just this right out, back of the spoon. Being that there is sugar and salt and everything in here, we're only gonna do one side, crew, because if we would do it on the other side, it would be overkill. You really wouldn't taste any of that great quality applewood bacon that we got. So, nice brush like this. And believe me, when this comes out of the oven, you're gonna know. Hungry already. So, painted nice and even. 350 degrees, true convection. Our oven's preheated. All we gotta do is sit and wait for amazing bacon. Let's go right to the oven. All right, true convection. This is gonna be about 20 minutes, guys. So let's open this up. The true convection is really gonna be all the heat from the back. So no top heat, no bottom heat, just pure European convection is what you get. So all 3 racks in this oven will be 350 degrees. Your most easy, your most gentle oven setting. So here it goes, right in the middle on the sweet spot. That's perfect. We'll see this in 20 minutes. Candied bacon. I don't know, I'm just so excited about this, I can't wait. This came out of the oven, the great rack. We've talked about it. Let's just pick it up. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look at the very back. Even the back's cooked and coated. I mean, it's amazing. This is what we want to see in true convection, guys. Crispy from edge to edge, golden, just pure, even cooking. That is amazing stuff. Done in convection. True convection. I'm gonna cut a piece, thick cut, smoked bacon with our candied seasoning on it. Gives it that sweet, gives it that heat. Make extra, don't share with anyone. My favorite. I'm gonna pile it all up. No one ever saw this. Amazing stuff. Enjoy.